Hey everybody, it's Spicy Kai. Today I'm going to show you how I put together a whole pot of greens for my family. Isn't she a beauty? Let's go. Want to know why my mustard greens never get as big as everybody else's? Because we eat our mustard greens. What are you saving them for? My lord. This is how I ensure that we continue having mustard greens constantly. Because the more you pick these greens, the more they grow back. So I'm going to grab some of these big leaves here. I'm going to leave a couple here and there. I'll leave those too. This is how you constantly have pots of greens. I'm not doing this to be able to grow the prettiest, biggest green plant in town. I'm doing this to feed my family. It's time to grab a little off of this one too. Take one or two from here. Let's see what else we working with. Oh yeah, let's pick on this one too. Get one from there. Remember, the more you pick them, the more they grow. Don't worry about making your plant look ugly. Worry about what you're eating for dinner tonight and did it come from your yard or the grocery store. This is big. I just can't see myself leaving that there. Sorry. What else we got? Oh yeah, forgot about those. You're gonna get a couple off of each plant. Even though these are small, I'm still gonna try to encourage growth. So let's get some off of both of these two little ones too. Let's let these chill a little while longer. See this up? Stays feeding it because I stay harvesting. I have a few of these big leaves. And yes, I'm rough with her because she's a rough one. This kind of tree can take it. Trust me. That should work for now. I would grab some of these beet leaves, radish leaves, but that's enough for now. Now let me show you what we do with this. As you know, that is not enough for a pot of greens. So we take all of these greens. Put them in the bag. Regular grocery store bag. See them? And I tie it up real tight and shove it in the freezer. No, I don't wash them off first. I wash them off when I get ready to cook them. These are California bags. They charge us 10 cents for these. You can tow a truck with them. Nothing's getting in or out. So even if it's a little bit of buzz on here, it'll suffocate this in this bag. And if not, I'll get it when it's time to cook them. Now, I got things to do today. But hey, got me a nice batch of greens in the freezer. So originally, that was going to be the end of the video. But then we ended up babysitting the G-Baby that night. And we decided to make him his own special juice. Organic, that is. Check it out. What about this?
You want to throw it in there?
Take several.
Yeah.
Oh, I know why it's burning. It's not because of that. It's because of the damn. Yeah, them oranges are horrible. Take it.
Hey! Hey! You want me to knock you silly? We're not having that.
Look, you should see how horrible his hair looks on the back. Watch him throw it. Oh, we mowed it. It's all right. Amen. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button on the way out. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new gardening video. Enjoy your garden. Spicey out.